Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this wash and go with the new and improved Wetline Xtreme Gel formula. This is the first time I've used this gel and I think I'm really liking the results, but stay tuned to see how I got this and my final reviews on the new gel.
Okay, so I'm starting on freshly washed and deep conditioned hair. I also did a hair mask today with the Aztec bentonite clay. So if you missed that, check out my last video. I also gave a couple of updates during that video. But that's where I'm coming from. So freshly masked, washed, conditioned, and now I'm going to be trying the new Wetline Xtreme Gel. So after I wash and condition my hair, I always use a leave-in conditioner. And this is, I'm going to be using the Texture ID leave-in conditioner. I really like this leave-in conditioner. It's very light and it's like liquidy, but it's kind of creamy also. So I always like how it detangles my hair and makes my hair feel. In addition to that, I'll be using this cream. It's like a moisturizer leave-in. It's almost like a 2-in-1, and it's by Soultanicals, if you can even see that. Okay, I'll put everything in. And then I'm going to be sealing it with the Wetline Xtreme Gel. So my hair is kind of like damp. So I'm going to spray it a little bit with some water because I like my wet wash and goes to be very, very defined. And so it helps when I use water to help define it. And then I'm going to use a little bit of this rub it in with my hands. And then I'm going to use the cream leave-in conditioner moisturizer, just like that much. So then I'm going to use, you guys already know that I really, really hate this Denman brush, but I'm going to use it to kind of like comb out the bottom of my curls. This is not my favorite comb at all. I know you guys have suggestions for other combs. There's like a Tangle Teaser and like some other really nice detangling brushes that I think I'm gonna invest in because I really, really hate this Denman brush. But this Soultanicals detangling cream is like, it really helps me slide this stuff through my hair like butter. So we're all moisturized now and we are ready for our gel. Okay, so this is the Blue Top Wetline Xtreme Gel. And I went to the store to refill on the regular Wetline gel, but they were all out. And so that's how I found out that there was this new gel. And of course I looked at reviews on YouTube first before getting it. And there were a lot of mixed reviews. Some people said it worked better than the original. Some people said it didn't work as great. So now I gotta test it for myself. So people said it's thinner. It's still a gel. It's still kind of thick to me. Like, it's still kind of thick. But I'm gonna go ahead and kind of run it through here. I'm gonna do my little, I don't know, people call this the shingling method. I call it a little rake method. I'm really just separating my clumped curls. It feels really nice. There's still a lot of slip. and it can easily, like, I can easily distribute it down the length of my hair. I like it so far. I don't notice any big difference so far. It feels the same, somewhat smells the same. I don't really have the old one to compare it to right now because they're all out. But I'm gonna like finish my head, or finish at least this side of my head, and then tell you guys what I think.
So my friend came over to visit me, so I had to turn my audio off, and I'm just gonna do a voiceover from here on out. But I really like the Wetline Xtreme Gel so far. I'm still just distributing it throughout my hair and kind of just separating my clumped curls. And it's very, very light, and it doesn't feel as thick and heavy on my strands. And so just the routine I'm doing is kind of just that leave-in conditioner, that detangler leave-in, and then sealing it with that gel. I really have no idea what it is we're talking about, but it must be good because my facial expressions are hilarious as I'm looking back at this. But as you can see, it really defines my curls, and they're wet right now, but you'll get to see that this curl definition remains as my hair actually dries. So since this was my first time using the gel, I used it with this Soultanicals Detangler and my leave-in, and it did leave a little bit of residue once my hair dried, and it was kind of over the course of a couple days, so it wasn't initial residue. But I have since used the Wetline Xtreme Gel again with different products that did not leave residue. So just kind of as a forewarning, sometimes the products that you use may leave a little residue with the gel. So you have to be kind of careful about what products you mix with the gel. So this is the final result, and I really, really like it. What I like the most about it is how light and fluffy my hair is, and it doesn't feel super crunchy. So my hair is completely dry right now, and if I swing my head, it looks super loose and not stiff, and I really, really, really like that. This video right here is my first time using the gel, and I have been using the gel since with different products. Overall, I would rate this gel on a scale of 1 to 10 a strong 9.5. Do I like it better than the last gel? I think so. I think I do, and I think I'll continue to keep using it. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. But these are the final results, and thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.